Hello, welcome to another video. As you can see behind me, this is my brand new M2 competition. There she is. I've had this for about a week now. I've put 300 miles on it and they've been very, very enjoyable miles. Behind me you can see my M140i. This is, the car that I've had for about 2 years now. It's been great, it's been comfortable, it's got so much performance and it's been absolutely perfect. But with, I'm selling the M140i and I needed a replacement. So with the new A35 M135i, they were kind of backwards in terms of performance. This has 340 brake horsepower, those ones had like 300, so I needed to step it up. I just wanted to go up. So I picked up my first M car, so I'm absolutely stoked. Why did I go for the M2 competition over the standard M2? This is a 2018 model. The M2 competition came out around about October of 2018, and this was registered in like October 2018. So this must have been like one of the very first few M2 competitions in the UK. And the reason why I decided to go for the competition rather than the standard OG MT was I was looking at standard, at the OG M2, but once I'd kind of played with the numbers and looked at the figures, I thought, you know what, I'll just spend that little bit extra more and I'll go for the competition. Under the hood, it is, well, in fact, I'll show you. Under the hood, come closer, is the S55 engine from the M3, M4. You can see that the carbon strut brace under here, so it is, now a true M car. The difference between this one and the normal M2 is this has got like 2 turbos. It's just got more power up in the top end. For now, I'm too excited right now. I'm just too happy to show you guys my M2 competition. It's just got that real M engine now, and it's kind of what really makes it, in my opinion, a real true M2 now. Or a real true M car, which is I think what a lot of people were kind of complaining about and lacking. It was kind of lacking in the old M2. People complained that it had the engine from the 235i, the M135i, but now it's kind of got that real engine, and it's also got the real, or not the real, the true M mirror caps, which again the OG M2 didn't have. Let's close this. What else can I talk about the car? Icon headlights. For me, this was a must when I was looking for an M2 comp. It just changes the complete look of the car. It's way more aggressive in my opinion. I haven't driven at night time yet, but I imagine what icon headlights are is when you're driving, it puts that box around the car in front of you so you don't kind of blind the driver in front of you, but you can see the rest of, you can kind of basically have like the big headlights and you don't blind the car in front of you. Anyway. What else we've got? We've got the M seats, straight out of the M3, M4. I absolutely love these. These are amazing. We've got Alcantara on the side. We've got carbon all on the inside. Oh, I love the car. It's great. More spec talk, I guess. We've got sun protection glass. What else have we got? We've got reversing camera. That sexy M2 competition badge. and we've got the new M2 competition alloys or wheels that come with the competition. One pet peeve and something that I'm going to have to change is this M badge here doesn't line up with the M. That's really annoying me, my OCD here. But we'll sort that out. Michelin Pilot Super Sports on the tyres, perfect. I had them on my M140. They've been great, perfect. I might maybe switch them up to, I don't know, Pilot Super Sport 4S's maybe. I want to give a big shout out to Different Class Cars for just the perfect experience of buying this car. I got this from those guys over in London. The experience with them was great, and I want to give another shout out to Mr. Darren Gibson for financing the whole thing. So if you guys watch a lot of YouTube, he finances a lot of other YouTubers. He looked after me the whole way through, and both of them, DCC and Darren Gibson, made this possible. So yeah, Long Beach Blue M2 competition. Here it is, my first M car. I love it, it's perfect. Quick one between the two. This is so comfortable. After driving that one and going back to this one feels really light and sloppy. It's very comfortable to drive. This one seems very, very heavy. Speed is kind of the same thing now. I mean, putting your foot down in this one, it kind of just takes off. It maybe seems to get to 70 miles an hour a lot quicker. Acceleration and speed, it doesn't really it's not really much of a shock to me anymore. The first time I put my foot down in that, I was laughing in my car. Put my foot down in this for the first time, wasn't really that shocked. It wasn't really that much of a difference. Just shows what good bang for buck the M140 is. The difference is, and a night and day, is just the handling. It just feels completely different. It's got an LSD at the back. It just feels so much more engaging. So for me, I'm happy to keep this thing forever. Like it's an M car with a real M engine, proper end mirror caps, seats, everything. What else can I say? This 410 brake horsepower, 550 newton meters of torque, 0 to 60 in about 4.2 seconds. It's got the DCT. I did kind of want to go manual, but this is my daily driver. I'm going to be sitting in traffic, etc. So, I don't want to be having to faff around with the manual. DCT for me is perfect. Yeah, thank you for watching. This is my M2 competition. I'm looking forward to doing loads of videos with this. We're going to be, getting an exhaust change because that ugly udder at the back needs changing. We're going to be doing a lot of other stuff to it. Going to keep you guys informed. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later in the next video.